Hello everybody, Ali here, and today we have a nice opportunity to sell euro. The euro is coming to the highs, so we have session highs or intraday highs, and finally the price made first push up, second push up, and now they are gunning for the third push up. So after this third push, I'm expecting the price to fall into. I'm definitely getting an early entry, so just waiting. Another entry will be possible if the price goes above it. So technically there will be two orders, and stop just above this high. There you go, first order got filled. And in terms of risk to reward, I'm looking for 1-to-1. Okay. That's it. I'm looking for these buyers to fail because I don't believe this move. We have nice downward trend, and 4 hourly bar is looking really bullish, and we are coming in to the resistance area where the previous sellers took their sells. They missed here, so they have a breakout here. That breakout, I'm expecting it a failure, and in case if they will pass above this one, I'm looking to sell or fade the new high of the day, and then initially looking everything, taking everything out down at these swing lows. So that's the plan for now. We'll give it some time and we'll see how things will go. So catch you in a while. Okay, so here you go. We had the new high, we have some profit taking, and finally we'll be getting out from the trade now. I'll be moving my stop loss that was way up 41 points because I don't want to sit in this trade for and about like more 2-3 hours. Doesn't worth it. So coming back to the okay, I thought it'd be gonna get a fill. Still 2 minutes. I hope this candle fills me out. We are very close to our target. 8 points for now. Come on, testing our target. Come on. That's how you manage a losing trade as well. So technically, when this thing happened, we were in profit like, I don't know, maybe 14 points. Let me just see. Yeah, 20 points, right? So 20 points for profit with risking just maybe 8 points, making 20. But that time I was believing that, you know what, this thing can go lower. But now seeing the continuation from the buyers, and still they're fading the highs. Sellers are way up, and maybe they got in here. Maybe we have their orders pending over there. But at least let's go for 1-1, right? Yeah, at least we risk that one on our first contract. So on the second one, we hardly risk anything. That's hardly maybe 2 points here. So that's how you manage your trade. Once you know you are wrong, either you accept what you're wrong, or be aggressive trader and then just say, yeah, you know, I'm not wrong, and take a loss. And then we never know if the price goes back up here. You can just keep on selling and end up with losing your account, losing your capital. That's why IPO, that's why risk management is really, really important when you come for forex trading. Okay, so I don't want to see this candle closing at the lows and then buyers may just take it to the new highs again. I want this candle to finish me off in this 6-7 seconds, or I will be moving my stop loss really aggressively. Let's move it to break even +1. Okay, because now I don't want to see price coming back up again. What happens most of the times like this, the price drops and then the buyers, they just show up, because what they need is they need a better price to buy. No buyer will be buying way up here. They'll be buying this close, they'll be buying this close. In case if you want to buy, don't buy here. Or even if you're in this move, don't buy this bull bar. Either you wait for a pullback or you wait for a bearish candle, close of bearish candle, take it out. Like this, what is happening right now. See that? Come on, either stop me or don't play around. Euro. Okay, so we'll take some time with Euro now. Okay. Bearish. Bullish candle turning bearish. Good sign for us, but I'll be calling it a day. I don't want to see more sideways movement, more ranges. There you go. Order filled. Finally, got out from the trade. Made only 11 points, but that's how you manage your trade. First, fading the highs. Okay, we know that, you know, no buyers will be buying way up here, so we are selling one contract here. In case if you're looking for 1-1, you will be easily out with 20 points here. But I was not looking for 1-1. I'm expecting a nice move to the downside, a nice rally. It didn't happen. Price stopped here. They didn't broke it. The candle showed up, closing at its lows. Oh, I like it. And then immediately buyers move. So I am no longer interested in this trade now. So what we did, we add one more contract at the highs. We never know that this is the exact high. I may be lucky here because I just stick one tick above it, right? I just placed my order one tick above it, and then I got a fill. So over here, first contract, second contract fading the high, and then finally moving my stop loss way down to break even, and then moving it way further, because I don't want to see, we are squeezing the price. I don't want to see now buyer's movement. I want to see a bear moment, but luckily this happened here, and I'm out from the trade, making I think 11 points. But that's not, again, the deal. The deal is the trade management, sticking to the plan, sticking to the rules, the strategy that you apply in forex trading, in futures trading, any pair you want to trade, that's all fine. But what important here is you stick to the plan. Now it may go like what we anticipated way back, right? That one contract here, second contract here, stop above this all, and then price may just drop. But it may happen now, it may happen maybe next hour, but I am out from the trade. And beautiful move for me. I was not able to take maximum out from the trade, but every day is not a Sunday, as they say. So hope you learned something, and stick to the rules, stick to the strategy, stick to your trading plan. I keep on telling you guys. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye bye.